Hello, welcome to another video. It's Josh here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this. This is a DIY cell phone video rig. You should see lots of them on Amazon and other online shops. I ordered one in November from an online shop, and due to the lockdown, it hasn't arrived, and I'm guessing it will be a long time before I see it. So I thought, why not make my own? So this is that how-to video. I will make some advancements after the lockdown to be able to mount things like a shotgun mic, so I'll make a follow-up video on that, as well as the video light. But before we get stuck into the how-to, would you mind checking out my Patreon page to support this channel, as well as all of my social media accounts linked up in the description box below. And remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. So let's get into the video.
First up, you're going to need some timber, a saw, your set square, wood glue, a ruler and a pencil, your mobile clip, some screws, a drill and drill bits, and last but not least, this bolt to hold the mobile clip. For the top and the bottom, I've opted to go with 30 centimeters for the total width of the frame. So what you want to do is measure off your 30 centimeters, mark it off and cut it. You can then measure off the second piece using the first piece that you cut as the guide and mark that off. And this time I'm using magical unicorn powers to get this apart.
Whoa!
Now that the top and bottom frames are done, it's time to do the side grips. I originally went for 12 centimeters, but this was too small after checking it against my hand, so then I made it 15 centimeters. You can cut these both to size as before. And then once you've got that done, we're going to start at building the frame. Now that the rough layout of the frame is in place, I'm marking all the pilot hole points for where the screws are going to go. I am going to be attaching the top and bottom frames into the grips, so you'll need to mark the centers of those as well. Now that we've got all our holes drilled, we're going to start gluing and screwing the frame together. I like to partially drill the screw through so I can line up the grip with the right part of the frame. In this whole process, I set the one side of the frame too far inward, so you'll see there's a bit of overhang on the right side of the grip, but I'm going to sort this out by trimming off those edges, which you'll see in the next scene. I'm now going to clean up these overhangs with the saw, and then we'll take a look. Now that we've got those edges cleaned up, it's time to drill through the frame for the mobile clip. So what I'm doing here is I'm finding that center point and then marking that out, and then I'm going to drill it out all the way through so that the bolt can fit all the way through the timber and secure to the mobile clip. Before you can mount your mobile clip, you need to sand down this frame. You don't want splinters from this thing. For your sanity, I've done the rest of this process off camera, but just take your time and make sure it's all nice and smooth. I'm really happy with how this has turned out. It's now time to mount the mobile clip. I have opted to use a washer, as this is a far better level surface for the mobile clip to adhere to. Once we've done that, we're going to take a step back and take a look at this awesome video rig. For now, I'm super stoked with how this came out. I will be doing upgrades after the lockdown for the cold shoe mounts for the microphone and the lights. But let's test this out as I film my little dog, Mac.
So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to know what you think in the comment section below. Maybe you have some of your own how-to DIY hacks that you'd like to share, and maybe there's something that you'd like me to make. So I'll look forward to reading your comments. Apart from that, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.